Okay, hey third grade. This is our first video together, so hopefully it's exciting because I'm pretty excited to make it. You're really going to have to listen and follow directions, but once you get logged into your Google account, you're just going to come over to your matrix or your waffle, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to click on Docs. And we're going to open up the doc that we started last week that was titled My Summer. So if you can scroll down and look for it, it should be somewhere down in your docs that you've already created. However, I'm going to go ahead and start a new one. So last week we started a doc and we just typed a few sentences, I think 4 or more, and it was titled My Summer. And I told you not to worry about the font color or the font size or anything like that yet. We were just worried about typing. So you probably have a couple sentences done. I'm going to go ahead and type a couple real quick. Okay, so I just did 3 sentences so that I could go ahead and show you what we're going to do today, but I'm going to let you guys change the font, the way it looks, the size, and the color today. And then you might remember all of this from 2nd grade, so it's just kind of a good refresher. And then if you want to type a few more sentences or complete the sentences that you started last time, that'd be great. So the first thing we're going to start with is we are going to click and highlight our title. And then we're going to come up here and we're going to look at our options, left align, center align, and right align. And we're going to go ahead and click center align so that we can put our title in the center. And if you want to change the font of your title, or if you want to change the font of your sentences, your text, all you have to do is just click and highlight. And then your toolbar up here is where you do that. So the Arial section where it says font, if you hover over it says font, that's where you can change the way your font looks. So they give you a nice list of different things that you can pick. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one called Coming Soon. So see, there you go, it changed the way it looked. I'm also going to come up here next to where I changed my font and where it says font size. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger since it's my title. Change it to 18. There are other ways you can make your text stand out too. You can make it bold, which would look like that. You can italicize it, which would slant it a little bit. Or you could underline it, which is always a good way to make something stand out. So you could do those 3 options. You could just do one of them. I'm going to go ahead and take the italicize away and just leave it bold and underlined. The last thing that we're going to talk about is the color. So I'm really big on purple, and I'm going to come up here and choose this purple. And then I'm going to go ahead and make my text, highlight my text, and come up and change the font so that it matches my title. But I'm going to keep my text black just because I want my title to stand out, but I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger size. And then that's all we're looking at for today. So we've changed the font color, the font size, and the font text and how it looks. So if that's a quick refresher, that's awesome. If you guys already remembered how to do that from last year, that is great too. Proud of you. Right now, you can go ahead and change the text on your summer doc, and then we're going to go ahead and type a couple more sentences, and then you can raise your hand when you're done.